All right, Jimmy, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the black pill. It's one of the most exclusive thought progressions of all time. You know how the blue pill it gives you freedom, or was it the red pill? I'm going to be honest, Jimmy, I haven't kept up with the Matrix, but I'll just talk about the blue pill, the red pill, the pink pill, the orange pill. Nah, I think I understand what the black pill entails. It's the emo pill, Jimmy. It's nihilism, Jimmy. Nothing matters in this world except for your mom, Jim. You know, Jimmy, I saw Mrs. Neutron on Tinder.com. We matched. I said, hey, Mrs. Neutron, I'm gonna show you my llama. And then I whipped out the alpaca, and she was like, oh yeah, Carl, that's my boy. And then she sent me a weird link, and now my computer's my I've been hacked, Jimmy. Can you help me out? Hey, Jimmy, did you hear the news? Apparently, according to women, it's not considered doxing if you go up to someone's house and take a photo of it. Yeah, apparently it's quote unquote on the Google or something. Yeah. Hey, Jimmy, we should start a podcast. You, me, and, our crackhead friend Sheen. He keeps telling me that he took one of your rockets, and I think that would have been really irresponsible of you, Jimmy, if you, kind of left your rockets unattended, and then Sheen just took it, and he just, blast off up to the stars we go, and leave behind everything that we used to know. He's not even getting paid, Jimmy. Jimmy, why are you so irresponsible? You could have you have all the intelligence in the world, Jimmy, and instead of curing cancer or making anime real, you spend it on self-inflating, ego-driven madness. Who cares about holograms, Jimmy? I want to bang an anime version of your mom. Yeah, where's your robot waifu, Jimmy? Your anime robot waifu version of Cindy or Mindy or whatever her name is. I don't care if the future says you married, Jimmy. I'm gonna. You can have my mom, Jimmy, if you really want to avoid her that well. We could trade mothers. It's like that Lonely Island song. I'm a mother lover. You're a mother lover. We could fuck each other's mothers, Jim. Fucking each other's moms. That's how the song goes. You look it up. I'll be your new stepfather, Jimmy, but I know your dad probably doesn't like it. My dad would be thrilled to have you take my mom. But your dad and me, one-on-one in Rome, in the Coliseum, Superdome, WrestleMania. I'm gonna pile drive your dad's ass into Kingdom Come, Jimmy. There ain't nothing you can do to stop me, for I am the one and only Carl Wheezer. And if you can't get down with that, I got 2 words for you, llama boys. Why did I say it like that, Jimmy? We're not in an audience. So anyway, Jim, I've been playing some Llama Palooza or whatever that handheld video game. And that game is very... like games nowadays, Jimmy, they won't let you cheat unless you have some kind of cryptic, one of them mod menus, and then you get banned from the online service. And because everything's online, you can't play video games anymore, Jim. And I just wanted to play 2K basketball NBA. and be like a god in a single player, but because, the single player career mode, Jimmy, is partially online, I can't, I can't go back on NBA 2K anymore. They banned my account, Jimmy. I just wanted to dunk on some nerds. They made the game too hard, Jimmy. And then they paywalled the cheats, Jimmy. Why haven't you cured cancer and sued the 2K whatever? Anyway, Jim, I'm kinda hungry. I'm gonna go eat a croissant. You wanna go to Big McThankies from McSpankies, Deluxe, Double McChicken, Grilled Melt Delight. Yeah, I'm making my mouth is watering real hard, Jimmy. Yeah, let's go have lunch together. Anyway, I'm gonna show your mom my alpaca, Jimmy. There ain't nothing you can do about it. She wants it. She loves it. And, did I mention big corporations funding? Did I mention the Russians, Jimmy? Did I mention Ukraine, Jimmy? Did I mention my unsolicited opinions about the state of Israel? Yeah, that's what they call the black pill, Jimmy. That's when you get political on their ass. Oh, God. What has my life come to? Just being a friggin' nerd emoji, telling people that their way of life is wrong. This is true nihilism, Jimmy. And I think I'm done with that. Anyway, I can't wait for the Carl Experience, Wheezer, whatever the podcast we're gonna do together, the Brain Blast. Yeah, it's a bit of a tongue twister. I'm not sure how you're able to say it so quickly. Brain Blast Podcast. Anyway, Jim, I'm going home. See ya.